No.
Hey guys,
Like,
welcome back
on
to
radio.
Animal Company. Welcome to my first.
Do you hear me on radio though?
No, I don't.
Oh.
You have, to do it, you have to do it like this.
Can you hear me on radio now?
No, it's like this. You have to put it right up to your mouth.
You hear me now?
No. Let's go mining. Let's go mining with my best friend.
Hey, bro, I gotta hit record. I still haven't hit record yet.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Oh, what's up?
I'm being held hostage to make this video. I'm being held hostage.
My pug?
My pug.
Yeah, this is my pug.
I am not a pug. I'm fully grown.
My pug friend. My pug friend. Okay. Okay, so basically I have a lot of money. You also have a lot of money.
Let me see your money. Let me see your money. This is my money. Let me see your money. This is my money.
4,739.
This is my money. Let's go mining.
Okay. Okay, mining.
Come on.
Some stuff. We need some stuff, bro.
So here we are in the dark and creepy looking mine that I don't like.
Like people who are trying to record, I'll just let you know.
I am the cave dweller. I will dwell in your cave. Hey. Okay. Mine. Sorry, did I out-chihuahua you?
Yes.
Oh, womp womp. Hi, Ben.
I'm gonna come in here and hope Spider Lady doesn't hear us.
If Spider Lady just ambushes us, I'm gonna freak out. She ambushed us. Ow. That kind of hurt, lady. Oh my god, shapeshifter! Kill it! What? How did I die?
Bro, I can barely see it.
There's a weird creature here. How do you get to it? Okay. Oh my god, dude, what is that? Ah! It's Rockman! It's the Rock! It's the Rock. I think this is the early prototype. I think this was supposed to be lines before. I think this is the early prototype. Are you dead? Give him a hug.